Welcome back to the Jacked Racing YouTube channel. Welcome back to the Freedom Factory for the second time this year. We are back. It is another night of short track racing out here. We got different divisions than last time though. It is Sport Compacts, Mod Minis, Crown Vics, and the Pure Stocks. So gonna be a very entertaining night. I've never seen these touring compacts before. These are not your average 4-cylinders. These things are fully race prepped, built motors, crazy suspension. They look nothing like what they would have come off the street as. So I'm very excited to see them run. I always love 4-cylinders. We never had anything that crazy, but they are a ton of fun. I love the Pure Stocks. I love the Crown Vics. Can't wait to see everything go. This track is awesome too. So they're about to start heat races. So we're gonna go grab our seat, maybe walk around the pits a little bit, check out some of these cars before they hit the track, and yeah, we'll take you along. So let's go see some racing. It's crazy to think that at some point these cars started their lives as grocery getters for maybe even a grandma, and now they are full-blown race cars out here racing for thousands of dollars to win. It's the circle of life for cars. They always take a strange path and you never quite know where they're going to end up, but this is a pretty cool place to end up if you're a 20-year-old beater car. If you've never seen one of the Florida Crown Vics up close, I know they're a little bit different than Cletus's. They are just stock Crown Vics. I mean, take a look in here. There is nothing tricky about it. It's just a race seat, a roll cage. All the original dash and everything is still in here. It's just a Crown Vic off the street with a big beefy roll cage, and it is always exciting. I can't wait to watch these guys back out here again tonight. I'm not sure if this is any indication of what's to come tonight, but that is a full moon up there in the sky, so we'll see if that has any effect on what's about to happen here. We wrapped up the Crown Vics. Now we're on to the Sport Compact heat races. If you've been watching our channel for a while, you'll know we used to race a 4-cylinder. It was absolutely nothing like these though. Ours was like a notch above a junkyard car, and these are like full-blown race cars. These things are awesome. I'm excited to watch these cars race.
Looks like Kruger just got loose as he...
I don't know if we consider that a Jumbotron right there that they got. It's a good start though. Not many tracks have a TV with their live stream streaming around the track. That's pretty cool. I'm going to interrupt the racing action real quick to give you guys some fun facts. I'm going to tell you about the difference between these Sport Compacts and the Florida Mod Minis. So the Touring Compact series, built off of 4-cylinder cars, Cavaliers, Hondas, Neon, stuff like that. The Florida Mod Minis, on the other hand, are like purpose-built race cars. Think late model, just in a smaller size. I mean, they're talking coilovers, quick changes, dry sump systems on the motors, built motors. They are basically just small-scale late models. So that's the difference. One was a street car at one point, the other's been a race car its whole life. We're gonna interrupt the racing action one more time. Real quick here, click the subscribe button if you like this type of racing. We're gonna be running at the World Series of Asphalt over in New Smyrna Speedway next week. It is 9 nights of racing in a row, over 10 different divisions. We're gonna have our pro truck out there, and we're gonna take you along for the whole journey. So click the subscribe button and follow along. We're gonna have a whole season of racing action. I promise I'll make it worth it. I'm pulling for you, whoever you are, Mr. PT Cruiser. Then the Big Money Sport Compact race, and then the Florida Crown Vics are going to finish it off. Should be some good racing. There's already been a lot of action in the heat races and last chance races, so this is going to be fun. These are your good old 80s, 70s Monte Carlos, Camaros, all that good stuff. These guys can really beat and bang on each other. They are out of control. It is always exciting races. This is easily one of the most exciting classes down here in Florida. These guys race rough. You don't need that door. That is not what you want to happen. You know you wrecked bad when there's a whole exhaust pipe and muffler laying in the grass. Here come the compacts, main event, $7,000 to win. That is no small purse for a division. That was a rough pure stock race. Quite a few cars were lost in that one. Hopefully these guys play a little better with each other. To pull off in this race. Not quite sure what happened, but that's unfortunate. Also, the leader just got spun out, so that's almost more unfortunate. If anyone watching didn't know, this is what the Freedom Factory was long ago, before it was just an empty racetrack and then turned into the Freedom Factory. Honestly, it was worth walking over to the front just to see this Fiero up close. If you've seen the video of them wrecking this thing, it's pretty cool to see it in person. I still can't believe that happened, but pretty cool to have it on display for us to see.
I speak on everybody that was giving us kudos as the white flag is up with one to go. And the drivers and the race fans and the pit crews and everyone that works to make this show in a way we really thank each and every one of you for watching the live stream and being here. Sean Osteen and company out of turn 4 one more time on green. One side by side. Here we go. 3 cars right off the bat into turns 1 and 2. Turn 4, Austin and Kelly. Let's try this again with one green. Stand in a 1-8.
Alright, that's going to wrap it up here at the Freedom Factory. It's been a long night. It's very late. And we got a full day of working on our Pro Truck tomorrow. So we're going to go home, take a nap, and then drive up to the race car shop to go get that taken care of. It was a fun night, though. This was my second time at the track and Dad's first time. What did you think?
That was exciting. It was a little rough. So there's some bruised egos out there tonight.
Bruised egos, bruised cars. We walked through the pits and saw some of the fireworks after the show. I'm not going to show you any of that because my account will get closed down. But other than that, it was a great show. I love coming to this track. I'm so glad it's back running circle track racing again. So shout out to Cletus and all the track crew and everyone. You guys do a great job, and we're excited to come back sometime. Maybe we'll bring the Pro Truck out here if we ever can get the Pro Trucks on a race. But until then, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We got a ton of racing coming up, so follow along, and we'll see you next time.